Hello, I would like to thank the Internal Communication Department and Dr. Hamoud for this lovely day which was offered to us, Greek doctors.
Masal here. Nice to meet you. We are very happy to be in the city of Hail and to offer our services to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as doctors. Shukran.
Good afternoon. I wanted for this very beautiful trip that we have today to say thank you very much to Mr. Hamoud, to the internal committee of the hospital that organized everything. Everything was very good organized, and I want to thank most of all because I'm in Saudi Arabia and I love so much Saudi Arabia.
We would like to thank Internal Communication and Dr. Hamoud from Ministry of Health for this exquisite, very nice visit that we had today, and we have a very good experience for all these beautiful places that you have brought to us. Thank you very much for everything.